Hi and welcome to my channel. What we have here is a swimming pool net. It is made from this shade net, and I'm gonna put it on my pool. What I originally did is to use a piece of plastic to put on the pool, clamp it there with concrete bricks, and then I just mark it down. I just put some place for the seam, cut it out and give it to the guy who make this for me. It is actually my brother-in-law business. He's making like this shade nets, and he made it for us. Firstly, you go and lie it out on the grass, and what I did, I put one of those water bottles in the middle and put string around it just to keep the middle a little bit upwards. It doesn't lie inside the water. What you do now, you just basically fit the whole thing on top of on the swimming pool, and just put the cement blocks or bricks just to keep it there more or less on its base, and then you can start pulling that from one side to another side, as you can see next. Here you can see what I did. I take this blue, we call it blauwdraad in our Afrikaans. It's like a thick wire, steel wire, and you just bend it and hook it on the side of the swimming pool just to stretch it. And there's a nylon rope right around inside the seam, and then you just hook it inside that rope. Okay, now you can see all this wire all around the pool. You will figure out a way to stretch it just to make it nice and smooth. There's a total of 20, 21, 23 units that I will need of those clips to put in. And I just have a water bottle in the middle. What you do, you put this clip in and then you use the top one, so you can always stretch it a little bit further if the thing is sagging a little bit, and it's fine. After you put the clip in, you can just remove this thing, then it's finished. And there's a clip, nice and sturdy. Okay, I'm finished with all the clips, all right around. You can see just the dust is lying over. I think what I must do, if you open here, the clips is going to fall out. I'm just going to put some glue or a glue gun or hot glue just here, so if you like loosen it, the clip stays there. Or you must maybe take a hammer and just bend this thing close. I think this is maybe the best way to do it. Just take a thing and close all of them. I'll check, and then it's going to stay there, then it won't come out again. That's it. This is the view. The swimming pool is finished now, and I'll try to see if I can close that clips a bit. There's already a lot of leaves, not leaves, it is flowers or seeds on here. You can see here, that's the right way. I close it, klip, kyk eens daar. Ja, ek slaat hom net hier. En hier is die goeders. Okay, this is the before photo of without the net. Okay, this is the after video of the net on the swimming pool. So you can see, you can make your own swimming pool net, fit it, and it can work for you. Thanks for watching. Till next time. Cheers.